Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to a new episode from Linguamid. Today we will talk about the B-Imperfect, a very important tense in spoken Egyptian. How do we use it? And how do we use it especially for the verb to love, يحب. Are you all ready? Let's go! The be-imperfect tense is a very important tense that's extensively used in our spoken Egyptian. From its name, be-imperfect. The B here, it means that we add a letter B before the simple present form. Okay, for example, when we have the verb to love, يحب, it means يحب in simple present. We just add B before it, بيحب. And when we add this B or باء, it becomes the be-imperfect tense. Why do we use it? We use the be-imperfect tense if we want to express a fact. It's like simple present in English, or if we want to express a continuous action, like present continuous in English. So the be-imperfect in spoken Egyptian have the function of these two tenses in English, the simple present and also the present continuous. Let's take the verb يحب, to love, as an example. I will conjugate the verb يحب with three pronouns, with I and you male and you female. You know that spoken Egyptian is gender sensitive, so that we have a form for you to a male and another form for you to a female. So when we say I love, it means أنا أحب. أنا أحب. This is simple present. And we add the B or the باء, it becomes أنا بحب. Okay, so I love. أنا بحب. When you add it with you to male, it becomes أنت بتحب. أنت بتحب. So تحب is a simple present, and with B it is the present, the imperfect, the be imperfect. When you add it to the pronoun انتي, which is you female, it becomes بتحبي. So انتي بتحبي. So let's revise. أنا بحب, I love. أنت بتحب, you love, to a male. أنتي بتحبي, you love, to a female. So far so good. Let's have some examples. Let's consider this very important example. But before I start, I really recommend that you download my Spoken Egyptian 101 guide. You'll find the link in the first comment and also in the description box. I love to drink coffee after breakfast. I love to drink coffee after breakfast. أنا بحب أشرب قهوة بعد الفطار. أنا بحب أشرب قهوة بعد الفطار. Let's break it down. Here the very important thing that concerns us here is بحب. So بحب here, it comes as be imperfect, بحب, and it comes as an indication of a fact. It's a fact that I love drinking coffee after breakfast, exactly like the simple present in English. So أنا بحب, I love. أشرب, أنا بحب أشرب. So here after بحب came the verb, the main verb أشرب, in the simple present, not in the be imperfect. So أشرب, it means to drink, I drink. Okay, so أنا بحب أشرب, I love to drink coffee. بحب أشرب قهوة, coffee, قهوة, بعد الفطار. بعد is after and الفطار is breakfast. So أنا بحب أشرب, and أشرب here came in simple present, not بشرب, أشرب, because it came after the helping verb بحب. أنا بحب أشرب قهوة بعد الفطار. Let's move to another example. Before I start this example, consider also my Spoken Egyptian Accelerator online course. In this premium service, I give it all to you. So everything about Spoken Egyptian, all the components, okay, video lectures and lessons, and also my free ticket to the weekly Zoom sessions. where I talk with you in spoken Egyptian so you can consolidate all this information and start speaking from day one. You'll find the link in the description box. It's the second link after the free course. Now let's go to the second example. Here, when you say, do you love her? أنت بتحبها. Okay, أنت بتحبها. Here in this example, it's a question. So I am asking a male, okay, a male friend, do you love this girl? Do you love this lady? أنت بتحبها. So أنت here, it means you. And بتحب, it means love. You love, but with be imperfect, with the pronoun you to male, you masculine. أنت بتحب. And then you will ask me, Hamid, what about this ها بتحبها? ها here, it is a pronoun that it is reflecting or reflected back to the girl. بتحبها, hair. You love hair. It's like hair in English. Okay, so you love hair. أنت بتحب. So ha here at the end is hair. Okay, and the بتحب here, it came in be imperfect because it's a fact. Do you love her? أنت بتحبها? Another example here, it's another way around. So there are two ladies talking with each other, and one is talking to the other one and asking her, or not asking her, just telling her, I didn't know that you love him. I didn't know that you love him. أنا ما كنتش أعرف إنك بتحبيه. This is a complex sentence. Don't worry about it. Just know that بتحبيه here is the two components. بتحبي, as we discussed, you love, the be imperfect. So بتحبي, you love. And then this ها at the end is exactly the object. It's a pronoun that is reflecting back on the guy. بتحبيه, you love him. Okay, this ها is him. Okay, أنت بتحبيه, you love him. And let's go back to the sentence. So you have a bonus advantage of knowing the sentence in spoken Egyptian. أنا, I, ما كنتش, I didn't. ما كنتش. Here, this is the past form of verb to be. ما كنتش with negative. Okay, كنت here is without adding the negative component. كنتش, ما كنتش is the negative component. I didn't. أنا ما كنتش. أعرف, I didn't know. أعرف is the verb know. And after ما كنتش, the verb comes in simple present without this be. Okay, so it's just أعرف, to know. أنا ما كنتش أعرف إنك, that you, إنك, or in and then inti, but we add it together and have this form in spoken Egyptian. It's called إنك, that you. إنك بتحبيه, love him, with the be imperfect, and the ha is reflecting back on the guy. So بتحبيه, ha is the object, him. Okay, أنا ما كنتش أعرف إنك بتحبيه. So now we have three examples. أنا بحب أشرب قهوة بعد الفطار. I love to drink coffee after breakfast. The second one, أنت بتحبها? Do you love her? Do you love her? أنت بتحبها? The third one, أنا ما كنتش أعرف إنك بتحبيه. Okay, بتحبيه here is the be imperfect. بتحبي plus the ha, which is the object, which is him. بتحبيه. أنا ما كنتش أعرف إنك بتحبيه. I didn't know that you love him. I hope this episode was easy to follow. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also look at the description box, download my Egyptian 101 guide, and have a look at the premium service, my Spoken Egyptian Accelerator, if you want to have an immense experience and start Spoken Egyptian really from day one. If you have any question, drop me a comment below. Thanks a lot for watching this episode, and see you in future episodes.